What's going on, guys? I'm going to take you through a closer look of our brand new Cybertruck light bar. This light bar is designed specifically for the Cybertruck. It is a 48-volt light bar that is going to use the auxiliary port that is up on the roofline that will connect to the dash itself. It also is going to use existing mounting bolts on the truck, so no need to drill any holes into it. It is going to bolt right up to your Cybertruck. You can see we use this angular design on the front of the light bar, not only to match all of the angles on the truck, but also to reduce wind noise. This light bar has two settings. It is going to be the DRL setting and the light bar setting. The light bar setting is going to have a driving beam pattern, meaning it is going to give you not only a very wide beam, but also shoot very far for when you're driving out on Mars. You'll be able to see way in front of you. It also has DRL mode. This mode is powered by our XKmax app, which is going to give you a ton of features built into this light bar. You can do not only the white DRL mode, but you're going to be able to change it any color you can think of. It is also going to have built-in patterns that we have in the app under the theme page that is going to give you an unlimited amount of themes. You can use different colors, chasing patterns. They're all customizable in the app. You will also be able to sync it to music, so you can play your favorite song and have the lights actually chase with music. There are a ton of more features built into this light bar, and if you want to learn more about it, you can go to our website, XKGLOW.com, and take a closer look at our Cybertruck light bar.